Hello guys, welcome to AcuTech. Today I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. So here we go. All you have to have Adobe Photoshop installed in your PC or laptop or whatever the device you have. So here I have Adobe Photoshop 7. You may have Adobe Photoshop earlier versions and maybe the latest one. So first of all, what you have to do is set the dimension YouTube videos thumbnail, which is just go to the file and click on new, or you can press Control New from the keyboard. It's shortcut. Just give a title for the file thumbnail, and the custom size we required, it's a width and height. You may select other these units, but right now I'm going for the pixel. And the standard size dimension for YouTube thumbnails would be 1280 for width and 720 for height, and the resolution would be 300. It's better, and white background. Okay, now here we have a thumbnail background. And now first of all, what you have to do is the color selection. Here we have colors in Photoshop, but I would like to go for the gradient colors. So what you have to do, click here and then select your color selection, or from these boxes. Like here you can see all the color combination visible in this. So if you go for like this color, just click and then just drag, click in the corner and just drag downwards and just release the mouse button. Now you can see. If you don't like, so you may change any other. If you still have a reservation with these color, then what you have to do, go to the button on the right top, click here and then choose other gradients, like now samples, append it. Now you can see in the list, and the same time have reset the manager, sorry, not the reset the manager. Just go like spectrums, nodes, metals. These are the style combinations. So just go for I would like to go to petals and append. Now you can see here, and okay. So for right now we go okay, it is okay. Then now what you have to do is just write down like your content, how to create. Okay, how to create. Okay, if you want to change the font style, so what you have to do, just go there and how to, just click here and then change from here any color, any font size you would like to, like this, and just drop down, press the arrow keys from your keyboard and you may tag. If you remember, if you know the name of the font, then you can just write down like impact. I just do it, and then and the second word, how to create YouTube thumbnails, and then select and just manage your content thumbnails in Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop. Now here we go. Adobe Photoshop thumbnails, and then it's, if I want to make it like this, and keep it centralize everything, so it's okay. Other than you can manage the text as you like I right now I just go for this sort of okay. Then now I want image here. So if you don't have, then just go to Google and just download, but right now I have downloaded in my folder, so I just click and drag the image into the Photoshop. Then if you want to remove the white background, then what you have to do, just click on the pen tool, magic pen tool, just go here and select all and just press delete button to remove the back, but still it has a color in the background. So what you have to do, just click on the layer right side on this panel, double click here and then just click OK, and then click here again or select again, then click delete. Now you can see there is no background at all. If you want to decheck, like you want to move this and all the selection just need to be gone, so Control D from the keyboard to decheck or deselect all these selection types, and then pick tool, then just drag into the file where you want to take it, and then Control T. Control T is the shortcut for resize this image. Control T from the keyboard and just press the shift button and just drag and resize your image like this, and just leave it like this, and then to confirm just click enter from the keyboard. Now you can see a simple frame. Now we want to make it more attractive, so what you have to do, click here and then Control T and the resize, and then here we can see okay, YouTube also, this one it's okay. Okay, should be like this. Okay, resize and it make the same size to the header, and then just click on the enter button to confirm. Now if you would like to make more changes to the background, so if you want to make it separate, the background and other things, so you can polygonal lasso tool, you can take it, then like I want this to here and then this to here and like this, and then just double click here and just press the delete button. But right now what you have to do, just go to the layer sites and click the background. It should be selected. Now you can see here like this, but we don't want this color in the background. So if you want to select the red button, okay, this one, so now you can see it now, okay, like this, and then Control D for decheck, and then select again the polygonal lasso tool, select here and then here to here, there, and make the arrows meet, and then just click on delete for the background. But now this time I would like to change the color into the green, or maybe green, or okay, what you have to do, here we have open, just click here, let's check this color. Now you can see it. Okay, the same thing you should put the downwards, like you put here and then put here and then select, delete. Now you can see here. This is how you can just make the simple and attractive and colorful thumbnails for Adobe Photoshop, so YouTube videos. Now if you more make it attractive, so just click the selection tool and just draw a line here and then just leave it like this, and then click on the pick tool again, then just click in the middle of like this. Is this a background? Yes. Okay, this a rectangle, we have to take it again. Okay, then click on the background and then click stock, and the stock color which I want in yellow. Okay, inside outside the location. Okay, inside the center location, the capacity and the width, the stroke, the border stroke, which I like to 5, it would be 10. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. So now this is how you can do the same thing. And same time, if you would like to change this color, and just go here and then select any color like this, how to create a YouTube thumbnail. And the same time, if you YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, then select and the same color, okay. Now you can see that. If you don't like, then okay, it's leave it, but it's okay to have a color, separate color, maybe in the black color. So you can see here. So any color, any color you can select from here. And same time, if you would like to change the font style and everything. After doing this, what you have to do, it's just click here and then export the file, or in other word you can say save. How you can save as, and then a format which we like to have JPEG, JPG, and maybe bitmap, whatever you want. But mostly to put on the YouTube videos, you have to have JPEG or the PDF file. And then thumbnails on, then select your folder. It is my thumbnail folder, and here's thumbnail on Photoshop. Then just click OK, and all it's okay, just go OK. Now you can see in the folder here we have, just open up. Great. So this is how you can make a thumbnail for your YouTube video in Photoshop, simply and easily. Thank you.